Yummy in your tummy?
Let me have a picnic.
You have a picnic? Madison. No, I don't want to see that.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. What's in there?
Bunny. White one.
Is it a white one? Or is it a yellow bunny, like you were asking for?
That's good.
Okay. Evan has a basket too. You might like the sound this makes.
Maybe I have a basket for me.
Evan's got a basket like you.
And did the bunny bring that for Evan?
Yeah, the Easter Bunny brought this for Evan.
And it's ready for Evan?
What? It's a present for Evan. Oh boy, Evan.
Nothing too.
He might like them. Evan. What is that?
I don't know. Another one.
Another one?
Good.
Is it good?
Yum in my tummy.
Yummy in your tummy.
Evan, do it tomorrow. It's for you.
Yeah. Evan, look at you got something too. Oh. I thought you were gonna like the paper more than anything.